What's up, Keep It Cleaners all around the world? It's your boy Miguel, So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Towel. And in today's episode of Don't Pay Twice, Paola Lenti, Samo Design, super sensitive fabric, right? Customer called somebody else. We weren't able to take care of it right there and then, but they ruined the carpet. I'm not going to mention the name of the company. It's beyond that. We came, we conquered, and we delivered, and we fixed it. Again, for everybody that's interested in Paola Lenti, please pay attention to the fabric. Not all fabrics do well in hot climate, tropical rainforests like Miami-Dade County.